So here I am working from the outside in. Here I am working from the inside out. All of that implies that if you keep doing that long enough, those two directions would meet and cross. And they do. And that's the magic moment. And why do I mention any of this? Why is this so important? It's because in that magic moment, when those two directions meet and cross, something amazing happens. The sleeve of the body lets go of the core, and the front of the body lets go of the back. I'll say that again. In the magic moment, the front of the body lets go of the back, and the sleeve lets go of the core. Well, if you look back at our